That looks good. I'm at Hooters.
That's my friend Catherine. She likes Hooters.
Are you recording?
Where are you? There's Dawn.
I like Hooters.
This is Dawn's first experience at Hooters, Fairfax, Virginia. I don't know who that guy is. He looks like he's getting drunk. Now the drunk guys are gone now. They were hitting on that chick. I don't know where she is now. She kind of, I guess she left because of the camera. Oh, there's one. Oh, Nelly. All right. Oh, there's another one.
I think that's enough. I don't want you to get mad at me.
One more.
How's that?
Okay,
Just finished mudding the
this
walls.
is the bathroom. Here, you got it all dirtied, and
Pretty much it's a piece of shit right now.
yeah. So, anyways, after we're done, we'll show you the end result. The painting and putting up the tub surround, a little piece of wood in the window. Pretty ugly, huh? All right, bye. As you can see, we finished. Looks much better. Looks much better. Looks much better. Okay.
Nice folk. Boy, I sure do like flying.
It'll be
even
even
more
more
fun
fun
when I invent
Do something for the camera.
Flying is like pterosaurs. Humans aren't meant to fly. If you don't mind, I'd like to stay on the ground for a while, okay?
Hi, but I gotta turn you off.
Oh, no,
Can't do that.
we're not done yet.
Come on.
No,
It's not gonna work.
There's a whole other part to this adventure,
Okay.
Mr. Big Hurry. I call it a luggage carousel. Okay? See, after you fly, you
Talking about?
Yeah. Pretty good. Huh?
Clayton, is that what you're talking about?
Oh no!
Yeah, watch it at the same time.
Clayton, we can do that. Clayton, we can do that. Clayton, are you talking about putting it on the TV? God, that was cool. Did you see?
Yeah, okay. Okay, are you looking into it?
Talking about?
Yeah. Pretty good. Huh?
Clayton, is that what you're talking about?
Oh no!
Yeah, watch it at the same time.
Clayton, we can do that. Clayton, we can do that.